What's up, man?
You say Rap Grid MC?
You already know City tuning the Rap Grid. We had the ETH event. I mean, from what I'm hearing, the battle is crazy. I know Heartless and Dave Miles went down. My boy did his thing. I know Real Deal and Illmac went down. I stepped in as that going on. It was sounding crazy back and forth. Shit, and I was doing so many interviews. Like everything else yet, but I know Big T and Action on stage now. What's happening to my shit? What I do? They can't come with his balls. I'm gonna come with my balls. You know what I do? I bought niggas.
We want to see that old conceit.
I bought niggas live. That's what I do, man. That Be Mad just dropped today. I'm fucking cool.
Well, they dropped it today?
It dropped already.
Was that a shot?
Huh?
Was that a shot? Them dropping it today?
I don't know. I mean, I'm not behind the scenes. I'm just a rapper. I'm pretty and I rap. That's it. I know nothing else.
What do you? Is it 3-0, 2-1?
What, me and B Magic?
Yeah. What do you want to do?
Well, with me and B Magic. So
No. With you and Big Cat.
Oh, I mean, you know, I never like to predict what's gonna happen. I mean, I think I'm gonna win. But that's 2-1, 3-0. But I'm gonna win because he can't outball me.
Gotcha.
You know.